Building a 750 credit score from scratch isn't about making a lot of money. It's about proving you can be trusted with borrowed money. The process is simpler than most people think. With a clear plan and consistency, almost anyone can reach this goal. Your credit score is just a number that shows lenders how likely you are to repay them. A 750 score is considered very good and opens doors to better loans and credit cards. Think of this as building a strong foundation for your financial life, not a race. If you're starting with no credit history, what's called credit invisible, there are specific products and strategies to help you get started. We'll show you how to get your first credit account, manage it responsibly, and grow your credit profile over time. The key: start small, be patient, and prove your reliability with every payment. Building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. You won't see a 750 score overnight, but steady habits will get you there. Stick to the good habits we'll discuss, and your positive credit history will become a valuable asset for years to come. Let's get started. A credit score is a three-digit number, usually between 300 and 850, that sums up your credit history. Lenders, landlords, insurers, and even utility companies use it to judge your reliability. The most important part of your score is your payment history. Did you pay your bills on time? Next is credit utilization. How much of your available credit you're using. Other factors include how long you've had credit, the types of credit you use, and how often you apply for new credit. A higher score means better loan terms and lower interest rates, saving you thousands over your lifetime. Building a 750 score is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Start by opening a credit account that reports to the major credit bureaus. If you have no credit, a secured credit card is your best bet. You'll put down a deposit, usually $200 to $500, which becomes your credit limit. Alternatively, become an authorized user on a family member's card with a strong history. Once you have a card, keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 30% or even 10% for the best results. Make small purchases and always pay your bill on time. Set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Paying your full balance each month builds a perfect payment history and avoids interest. After 6 to 12 months of responsible use, ask for a credit limit increase or apply for your first unsecured card. A higher limit lowers your utilization ratio, boosting your score. Keep balances low and payments on time. Consistency is key. Over time, these habits turn a thin credit file into a strong one. That's the path to a 750 score. Missing a payment is the fastest way to hurt your score. Just one late payment can drop it significantly and stay on your report for years. Automate payments to avoid this. Don't max out your cards. High balances, even if paid off monthly, can still hurt your score. Keep your statement balance below 30% of your limit. Avoid applying for too many cards or loans at once. Each application causes a small dip, and too many make you look risky. Space out applications by at least 6 months. Don't close your oldest credit card, even if you get a new one. The age of your accounts matters. Use your oldest card occasionally to keep it active. Avoid these mistakes, and your score will steadily rise. Building a 750 credit score is about simple, repeatable actions. Paying bills on time and keeping balances low. Progress may feel slow, but every on-time payment and responsible choice strengthens your financial reputation. A 750 score unlocks better loan rates, easier apartment approvals, and lower insurance costs. The habits you build now will serve you for decades. Start with a secured card, use it for small purchases, and pay in full each month. Don't rush. Steady, consistent steps are what matter. With patience and discipline, a 750 credit score is within your reach. Your journey starts today.